Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Sage. The next tool I want to show you is a video transcriber that I made using, I think I made this one in Cursor. So most of my tools I have uploaded to GitHub, but I am not going to recommend that you use my code. Just make your own code. It'll go faster and easier using one of these Vibe coding platforms. So this is the README file of this video transcriber, and the reason I want to show you this now is because the video I just made, the kind of the intro video, I want to get the transcription of it. And so these are the features. You can drag and drop a video upload, support multi-formats, MP4, MOV, AVI, MKV, real-time transcription using OpenAI's Whisper. And it tells you what the prerequisites are. So this is how it works. So the first thing we're going to do here is we are going to open up a new terminal window. And what I always do is I always have my tools write me a README file. So not so much for other people, but for me, because I can't remember how I do these things. So, my README file just tells me exactly how to do this. So we're going to do this Python. We're going to change the environment here. Okay. Okay. So now we're in this environment. We've set that up. Now we created a virtual environment. Now we're going to move into the virtual environment. And I can tell you that a virtual environment is this is how you're supposed to code, so that you're not installing a bunch of junk in one collective environment. And so this is best practice. And what you should do is, like, when you're building something along the lines of like this, just tell your Vibe coder tool that you want to build something in Python, and you want to set up a virtual environment, and they'll do it all for you. And the great thing about this is, if you don't know what I'm talking about, just ask AI. Just be like, I don't know what that is. Why am I doing this? It's the most patient teacher you will ever have. You never have to feel weird about asking a stupid question, because it'll just tell it to you over and over again. So here I guess I'm gonna run this real quick because I haven't. I don't know when the last time I ran this, but these are the requirement packages. So if you look here, these are the tools that this needed, and so I'm just having it do that. So now the next thing I'm going to do here is there's going to be a front end and a back end. So I'm changing into the back end folder right now, and I'm going to start serving it up with this code right here. Okay. So now my back end server is running. Okay. Now what I need to do at this point is I need to set up a new terminal, and I just use this plus sign over here. Again, I'm in Cursor. So now I have to keep that back end running. Okay. Now I'm going to change to the front end folder. Okay. CD front end. And then I don't need to install it. I just need to start it. mpn start. Okay. All right. And it's starting up, and bam, here it is. Okay. So here is a video audio transcriber. And so what I'm going to do here is I could drag, but I just thought I'm just going to click, because why not? So here is the video. Where is it? Let's see. 6:30. Is that the one? It might be. No, I'm going to say it is today at 9:45. Oh, yeah. It's this 6 point. Nope. Yeah, I guess. Is that it? 6.2? That seems like not long enough. Maybe. I think I'm going to say it's this one right here. Okay. 946. Yeah, I think it's going to be that. All right. Would have been helpful if I had named my file. That would have saved me like, so, you know, naming your video files is helpful. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pause this because this is doing this live. And one of the great things about this is running on my computer. And so I am getting charged nothing from AI. This is not running OpenAI API. This is all running on my local machine. So this is all free. Okay, so I'm going to pause this, and when it's done, I'll come back. All right, so here's the transcription. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy it. All right, this is the transcription from that video. And I'm going to go over, in my case, I'm going to do Roma Lume, which is this tool that I'm using. But put it in ChatGPT, do whatever. So I'm going to just paste it in. I'm going to say, please make a YouTube title and description for this video. Okay, and I'm just going to paste it in here. All right, and in this case I used Claude 3.7 Sonnet. All right, so it's thinking. Okay, so here it is, and it happened that fast. So the title they're recommending: How AI Changed My Life at 53, from Italy's Colosseum to Building Roma Luma, My AI Journey. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. That's fine. Okay, so there it is. So now I could also like make a I could say make a blog post out of this. Please write a blog post for this video. Okay, so for many years, content marketers have talked about repurposing content. You know, like, oh, you make a video and then you turn it into a blog post, blah, 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 blah. But look how instantly it has created this, okay? So here is a blog post: How AI Changed My Life, My Journey from Rome's Colosseum to Building Roma Luma. Now, yeah, Roma Luma is not spelled right. It's Roma Lume. But again, that's from a transcription. So I would definitely need to, actually, I could just say, actually, it's spelled Roma Lume, and the domain is romalume.com. See, even I have to like get in the habit of not editing myself. So why would I have gone through this blog post doing those changes when I could just tell AI to do it? You really need to think of AI as your world-class assistant, you know? So now, am I going to use this blog post? I'm going to obviously look at it. I'm going to make sure I like it. But like, so let's see, Roma. Yeah. So, and again, and I'm going to say, please update the YouTube title and description with the correct spelling. So, this tool has all of this entire conversation in its context. So it remembers everything. So here, let's see. So there we go. So how AI changed my life at 53, from Italy's Colosseum. You know, I don't know how to spell Colosseum. Do you know how to spell Colosseum? AI does. And I just told it, you know, Roma Lume, and there it is. And so everything has been changed. One of the nice things about AI is its ability to spell things correctly and use proper grammar. So, you know, one of the things you don't need to do in AI is really worry about how things are spelled and if the grammar is correct, because it's just that good. So what I'm going to do, obviously, is I'm going to look at this. I'm going to see, how AI changed my life at 53 from Italy's Colosseum to building Roma Lume. I like that. That's good, right? Just returned from a life-changing trip to Italy where the ancient Colosseum inspired me to reflect on human potential and innovation. At 53, I feel more alive than ever, blah, blah, blah. So, probably, am I going to just use this as my YouTube title? Probably. Am I going to put this on my blog with this blog post? Probably. But can you see how AI has drastically changed the ability to create content, create good content? Like what I could do here is I could just blabber on and on, not even use the video, but then transcribe the video using my video transcribing tool that I built using, I don't know, it was Cursor or Windsurf or one of those, who even knows, and then it gives you the transcription, and then you can just turn that automatically into all kinds of content, on Facebook or I know what I want to do. I want to say here. I want to do this. Like, let's see. Please make a compelling LinkedIn post about this video. There we go. Okay. So now the Colosseum. Yeah. So there we go. So this is a post here that again I can take a look at and see, but I'd probably be fine. So I'll probably take this, post it on LinkedIn. Maybe this is how you found me, was this particular post, and then upload the video. So the idea here now, what you need to know is if you have particular questions and you want to know how I'm doing something, I am more than happy to show you how I've done anything. What I'm trying to do here is be a resource of inspiration and general guidance as to how to go about this. I'm not looking to build a community where I charge you to be part of the community. That's not how I'm going to make my money here. I'm making my money on building tools. What I'm trying to do ultimately here is inspire you to seize the day, carpe diem, if you will, in this incredible time. So there you go. That's how I just use my transcription tool. I can show you how to do it, and I am going to show you ways that I've made videos and so forth, or I've made apps, but it's not about that anymore. The code is literally worthless because anybody can create the code. Anybody can create the code. Now there's going to be things that I'm going to show you that are hurdles and difficulties along the way, but it's not coding anymore. It's not like you don't know how to code in React and Python and anything else. That's not a thing anymore. That you are a coder. Poof. Joe Biden was right. Leave the coal mines and become a coder. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.